How to fix Halo Infinite packet loss issue on Windows. To fix Halo Infinite packet loss issue on Windows, try 1. Use an Ethernet connection. Improve your internet connection speed, if needed. 2. For router users, switch from 2.4 GHz band to 5 GHz. 3. Check Halo Infinite server status. 4. Flush Windows DNS via IP protocol configuration / flushdns command, admin mode. 5. Reset the Halo Infinite app, if you got the game via Microsoft Store. 6. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 7. Wait for an update.